dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. As we normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say, the Edo State Police Command don launch an investigation into the alleged RIP of a 16-year-old boy wey dey go by the name Emmanuel George. And this country person so bear RIP during a reported clash between the operatives of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency wey be Ndlea and suspected drug barons. And no be lie, my good people, this clash so e happen for inside Okuje, and this na a village wey dey for inside Uzeba community for inside RI0US local government area of Edo State. After the clash, countrymen wey dey stay for the community come begin dey accuse the officials of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency say na dem dey responsible for the RIP of the teenager, the 16-year-old boy wey dey go by the name Emmanuel George, and the two other country persons wey dey identified as Godspower Omega and Ajayi Irobia, and these men dey collect treatment for hospital. This information, so my good people, dey for inside the statement wey dey issued by the Deputy Police Public Relations Officer of the Edo State Police Command. For inside his statement, he now dey try tell the general public say the Edo State Police Command want to touchlight wetin really happen. Dem want to know the real cocoa about the matter. Dem want to know wetin give those drug barons mind before they begin dey go against the operatives of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. And the clash come hot to the extent one innocent civilian collect RIP, while two others dey receive treatment sake of the injury wey dem collect. Meanwhile, before now, Tori people be don already drop the report about the clash. And the cocoa be say a joint team, that is soldiers and officers of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agencies, then come together to fight crime. They come together to make sure say they end jagoda activities for inside Edo State. But in them doing their duty, they come under attack by suspected drug barons. And this, my good people, they happen for inside a agrarian community. And no be lie, this community it is very notorious for cannabis cultivation. Men know very well say for inside this community, men dey plant cannabis and men dey reap cannabis. And according to the statement of Oga Michel Ofoyeju, man wey be the Edo State Commander of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, he say one of the agency, their officers sustained an injury after being struck on the arm with a sharp object. Now still the Edo State Commander of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency will break the news give Tori people say the team been come under attack while they will carry out an operation for inside the community. According to how they talk, they come aside from a mouth as if they tell Tori people. He said the operation take place at about 8 p.m. for evening. And as the attack come board, normally them supposed fight back and then fight back, but they later come retreat. They later come fall back to make sure say nobody was injured. So it not been actually dey possible for them to know say an innocent civilian don't bear RIP, because the team self be no dey expect the attack. The team come unawares and then be the fight to escape with their life intact. It just be like when men waka enter ambush, then be the fight to save themselves, then be the fight to live to fight another day. Now them you come dey hear say somebody be RIP during the operation. Wetin happen be say the team of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency was attacked. As soon as they enter the town, they got to fight and retreat. Now later now they come dey observe say one of their officers don collect injury sake of sharp objects wey hit am. So now in the wonder why be say people go attack men wey come to do their legitimate job, men wey come to do their duty. The joint team be no come to find trouble, them be no come to fight anybody, but to do wetin carry them come, and wetin carry them come na their civic duty as stipulated by the Constitution. This, my good people, now the statement of Oga Michel Ofoyeju, man will be the Edo State Commander of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. Meanwhile, the Commissioner of Police, man wey dey go by the name Monday Abonika, he don visit the community to go grieve with the family wey don lost their loved one. Another reason why he still visit the community na to assess the situation firsthand. He wan use him 2 eye observe wetin wey happen and how the thing take happen. But on this visit, he no waka alone at all. Oga Monday Abonika, the Commissioner of Police, in waka with the Deputy Commissioner wey dey in charge of State Criminal Investigation Department. And this na a countryman wey dey go by the name DCP Issa Lawal. And still for inside this visit, after the Commissioner of Police don go visit the family of Mr. and Mrs. Monday George wey lost their loved one, their pikin, After the commissioner don offer words of comfort on behalf of the Nigeria Police Force, the Edo State Police Command, he con get a peace engagement with community leaders and youth. He con dey urge them to remain calm and make dem no take laws into their own hands. And then he con dey talk plenty about the importance of maintaining peace and order. He con still give them assurance say the police now go take over the case and dem go conduct a thorough and impartial investigation to unravel the circumstances wey dey surround the incident, to find out the secret, the things and things wey men no know about the matter. He also assured them say justice will be served and that long arm wey law get go last catch up to anybody wey dem find culpable. Now, after the peace engagement wey Oga Monday Abonika get with community leaders and the youth, he come proceed further to go visit God's Will Memorial Nursing Center Uzeba. Now for there, now he come meet God's Power Omega and Ajayi Irobia, where they receive medical attention, and he come assure them say justice will be served and police dey their back. Police go make sure say dem support them and support the case. Meanwhile, Oga Monday Abonika, he no let him waka end for there. After he don visit the hospital, he proceed further go visit the mortuary where men don deposit the remains of the deceased boy. And as still for there, 9 men don arrange for an autopsy to determine the cause of the boy RIP and to ensure proper documentation for the ongoing investigation. The Commissioner of Police don give directive to the State Criminal Investigation Department Benin City where they conduct a comprehensive investigation into the incident. The command also assured the public say updates will be provided as credible findings dey burst out. He can still reaffirm the commitment of the police to justice, to peace and protection of lives and property across Edo State. He let men know say no matter wetin wan sup and no matter wetin go last sup, the Edo State Police Command go make sure say dem protect the lives and properties of Edo State people. Dem go make sure say justice and peace plaster. Now, as a country person wey you be, anyhow this report be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Once again, we na reality latest gist, na we dey like give una latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. Now, if you be say you like this report, if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and no forget to put on the notification bell. The reason why it is very important be say as we dey bring more latest dey come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. And also try make you dey share our news, dey give your family and friends, make them know wetin dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria, make them follow get updates on the things and things wey dey play for inside Edo State. Now me dey go get more news, me dey go get more reports, me dey go gather more information for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.